बहुत अच्छा लगा, बस चिकना नहीं मिला है, अब उसी का वेट कर रहे हैं।
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, in the second and last episode of my journey.
I have some whiskeys I can see. In flight, they're giving food is good. When they serve the alcohol, it's chuck the fire. Even they are not hungry.
If you still haven't watched the video, Khalli Baldi. Yuva Bharti Kirangan, Kolkata. Are you ready for the flight? So tighten your seatbelt. Here we go. Hello everyone, my name is Amit and you are in my vlog show. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Air India AI 972 has took off successfully. Be comfortable and enjoy my new flight vlog. And tonight my journey will start from Doha to Kolkata with 1 hour 15 minutes layover in Delhi.
I'm just beside the cabin kitchen, the washroom. So it's really good. It's like what I want to say that the aroma of the food is already come to my Indian spices. All the Indian spices is roaming. I guess Arab people are also getting. So that's good. That little bit, like the seat is not too much wide. Inclining, I will take this, not too much also inclined, because the space between two seats is not too much, so it may be, it's okay. After all, we think of money, and 1,200 real is much cheaper than other airways. Money matter, boss. So before food, beverages coming. They have some whiskeys I can see, some cold drinks. Which brand? Teachers, Valentine also there, and I hope some beers. So it is Chak De Fate going to do with me. When in flight they're giving food is good, and when they serve the alcohol, it's Chak De Fate happening. So while going in a flight, if they're not giving some alcohols, then it is something incomplete in your journey. So good, not like Indigo, bad experience. They have big good brands like Teachers and Valentine also there, I can see. But I prefer some red wine if they have. Otherwise, Teacher on rocks. Let's see. Brother is having some beer. It is light, small one. And beside, sir have some Teachers whiskey with ice and water. And for me, as well, I like red wine before my meal. Okay. So we get some alcohol. Surinder is here from UP.
Yes.
He is little bit upset for no chakna is there. Chakna side dish with alcohol. So Surinder is not taking alcohol too much, but क्या सुरेंद्र कैसा लगा? बियर तो अच्छा है,
बहुत अच्छा लगा, बस चिकना नहीं मिला है, अब उसी का वेट कर रहे हैं.
So he not get his chakna is side dish with alcohol. So little bit upset, but still happy. We can say the face. And other side, uncle is there. They put some ice on whiskey. I give Teacher good brand, but they put some ice more and water. So uncle also not get the kick. So little bit one is not enough also. At least second round we need. So this is the whole experience of the first alcohol round. But it is nice. I didn't expect alcohol in Air India, but it is nice. एंड सुरेंद्र को थोड़ा ठीक है, मज़ा है. और एक बियर मांग रहा था तो वो लोग भाग गया. So they run away. They will come again, and even this happened to me on last flight also. That when I asked for the second pack, they have not come. On Etihad is the national flight carrier of UAE, but they have done this. So it's okay. Air India before I used in 2007, and from Muscat also I use Air India. The food is good in Air India, but I never use Air India in this sector, Doha to India or Delhi. I always use Emirates, Fly Dubai or Qatar Airways. Let's see. We're waiting for the food. But two friend I got from Mr. Surinder here. Little bit because his eyes become some necessity. कोई बात नहीं. And Chacha also little bit upset. Anyway, we'll try for one more pack, one more round. If it is happen, otherwise we'll go for the food. The review on food and everything will the video is there, but sound is missing. Overall the experience is good. The flight is a little bit messy, and food is good. Its aroma is all over. The service is good. The ladies are frequently going and coming. 3 hours, 3.5 hours is the flight timing, and it is now 2.5 hours already passed. And I didn't see these ladies continuously come up and down and for the food, for the beverage. Now last they are giving the coffees. The service is they're quite good for the service. Up and down, all the 3 or 4 ladies are there, air hostess. They are quite good, and the politeness in their face. The main tension is in Delhi in 1 hour and 45 minutes, 1.5 hour. How I manage take off my luggage, then go for the immigration, and then again check it for other airlines. So little bit of critical challenges, but hope I'll make it happen. That is why I don't like in domestic transfer. In international, I choose flight, budget-friendly flight, and middle class mindset. It's okay. Anyway, then see you in Delhi.
नमस्कार देवी और सज्जनों, नई दिल्ली की इंदिरा गांधी हवाई अड्डे में आपका स्वागत है। कृपया अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांधे रखें और विमान के पूरी तरह रुक जाने तक अपने स्थान पर बने रहें।
Just reached Delhi and get the shuttle bus heading towards the airport terminal 3. Left the flight behind. Till now everything is okay. Bus is little crowded, but it's okay. Same story in every airport.
Arrived at Delhi before 30 minutes the time, so now need to go for my immigration check, then check-in, luggage pickup, then again boarding for next flight. Around 6:10 is the flight timing, so I have almost here and there plus minus 1 hour. Let's check how can we manage. It's a little bit of challenging, and I don't know how the custom will happen here, immigration. They are asking of use this question or not. We'll see later. Well, now the flight from Doha, Delhi to Calcutta is they are offering us Vistara, operated by Air India. So long time before also I have a wish I could fly Vistara, but I can't make it on time. Vistara is closed, all fucked up. So this is the flight of Vistara and operating by Air India. So this is they're using also Airbus A321 Neo, still narrow body, fuel efficient flight. It is the upgrade version of A320. A321 Neo is the upgrade version, little bit longer, little bit more passenger carrier, and fuel efficient. So let's see how is this. And I make some videos in flight also in Doha Delhi airport, but I don't know, my mobile is stopped working videos. So let's go inside the flight. Number ticket number is A8, not very far, near about, and everything is passed very smoothly, not very smoothly, but immigration is smooth. Then connecting the airport, Delhi airport is very biggest one in India, so it takes time. People will confuse where to go, where to not go. And on the boarding pass, they are not giving the gate number also. As I asked them why not giving the gate number, it is confusing. So they tell not every day they are changing the gate number, so they cannot fix the gate number. It's okay. One guy is there helping us on time. We have reached here, so Vistara is there. So let's see Vistara by Air India. So this is the flight Vistara. So my dream also one comes true. So the complicated point in here transferring Delhi or Bombay is people are scam is going on here. People asking money. So this guy help us. And saying that poor man. I also poor man. That is why I go outside of Indian. So I give 100 rupees and he is not. No, it's okay. No need to give. But at the end of the day, he takes fucking hell. You know, this once you down in India, people are like fish, grab you, no, scam. Before they are scamming with the foreigners, and now Indian who working abroad, they also scamming there also. So I am on the way to go inside the flight. This is the scenario of Delhi airport. Everywhere domestic airways running here and there. Indigo, most pathetic airlines I ever use. Air India, okay, but service is not like that before. And prefer even you get chance if it's the price is more or less same, don't take Delhi or Mumbai airport. Is pathetic. You have to run. It's 10 degree in now, but you are sweating inside. I'm sweating inside. This is the story of India. 5:40 a.m. now, and 6:10 is our flying time, and I guess we'll reach on time. And not the case of immigration and anything, so I have to go to Calcutta and domestic side, not too much trouble. I'll get my luggage and hippie poor start. Anyway, it's good, but I like to move on Indian Airways. I prefer, but So I face difficulties on this people's scamming, asking monies. End of the day, nobody is like here. All the agents now, all dalal here. Help, then they'll ask money. This is the reality of our country. Start only, always. So I didn't say anything to him. I give 100 rupees. He said no need to give, but he'll take it. Oh, so this flight depart at 6:10 a.m. and will reach Kolkata at around 8:25 a.m. and it will cover around 1,313 kilometers, speed up to 583 kilometers per hour, and duration approximately 2 hours 15 minutes or maybe 2 hours. Well, I'm inside the flight now, and Vista is a premium segment of Air India, and it is true, it is very good flight. Not like the Doha to the flight given Airbus A320, not that one. It's a little bit upgraded. The seats are very good there, and obviously the flight is upgraded. It's A320 Neo, I guess. So a little bit bigger, little bit fuel consume 20% more, power efficient. It's okay. Well, inside the environment is better than this international flight from Doha. It is stinky smell is there, and I don't know, they are not using some room spray or no, but okay, I get a window seat here. Very nice that this time nobody grabbed my seat. But one thing happened here, they don't have also space for hand luggage, cabin, so they take my cabin luggage bag and they give me on slip. I don't want to give my this bag because this is expensive one, and they'll make it upside down. I know. If you put any luggage, they'll make it upside down. They not say the bad word. It's not actually a bad word. That is something good. People love each other, but they really make it bad. They make it upside down. Anyway, let's see. They give me on sleep also, and I don't believe them. And everything is okay. So our flight journey will be 2 hours 10 minutes or 2 hours 50 minutes to Kolkata, and hopefully we'll reach 8:25 on time. Hopefully, but that's why before I come, I make a homework of this flight. So they are reaching almost every time for time. Same as the last Doha to Delhi flight, they come out half an hour early. I hope this one also. Even not, there is not too much problem. There is my custom is clear, everything is done. So I'll go to the belt, I'll take my luggage and salam alaikum. I'll see you. If they provide any food, I'll try to describe it and how it is, I'll tell. Otherwise, I'll meet in the city of joy, but once upon a time we call it city of joy, and now it is city of boy. So I don't know, any building fall down, any bridge fall down, I don't know what will happen there. So see you. The seats look like a little bit premium, not like the before one here and there, the original one. I think something other setup in other flight, this international flight. But the seats and these also 3x3 seats, but is good, really good. And I got the window seat. So this is the window seat. Hopefully I make some nice video of Calcutta, and this is it's early morning. I can take some picture also, or video also. Carry on. We'll see. So not only the Air India using the flight, the branding, all the papers, all the Vista, the cutlery set pack, using all. So for the breakfast, we have some natural spring water, one little bit smaller than before. Again, one Amul butter, pure butter, not the Nuremberg, which one? Netherlands one. It is half margarine, and which is the pure butter. And breakfast, they will give some chole or something. Let's open. Yeah, here also some bread, Indian paratha, this Indian bread, and some chickpeas with traditional Indian spices. And I can smell the spice also. Very nice, simple breakfast. And they have omelette in non-veg, but today is Sunday. Sunday I prefer to be a vegetarian guy. So let's start. So on this cutlery set, we have some wooden spoon, knife and fork with one tissue, branding with Vistara logo. So maybe they already attached with takeover by Air India, but too much tissues and everything is left over. They're using. It's not bad. The flight I like very good. This flight is a nice one. So I'll start with my bun first. Let's see. The bun also good. It's not the regular white flour. I guess with brown bread. Actually it's brown or no, I don't know, but call it brown. Well, parotha, chana, butter, Indian taste is very good, and that is why people are obese here. They can't control their emotional food. They are not hungry. They feel hungry because we make the food like that with some traditional spices that make you hungry. I reduced my weight around 8 kilo. I don't know in next 1 month how much I'll gain. I'll try to control my food, but once you see the chole bhature, this paratha and butter, you can't stop yourself. That is why Indian people are suffering for diabetes and acid, sugar. Each and everyone have now acid. Even they eat, they have some problem of digest because of this food. But if I tell this food, once you have it, you can't leave this habit. It's like a drugs. It's like a drugs. The masala, the spices. Anyway, the food is good. I'm an Indian guy. I'm a Bengali guy. And fucking paratha with chana, alur dam hole besh bhalo hoto. But anyway, food is good. I'll give 10 on 10 on food. This Vistara flight is very good, better than this Air India. The previous, that is international airways, but still it is better. The seat quality, the sitting quality, the cleanliness, look like more bigger. The flight is A320 Neo. It's a big flight, more fuel efficient, but good. I can see some mountains. I don't know which mountains are there. I'll show. I don't know, Himalaya or what? I don't have ideas, because if you fly from Delhi, Uttarakhand may be there, other side. Huh? But maybe the starting of ever, I know this. I cannot capture with this mobile. It is a little bit tough to capture. Which mountain range are these? Actually, if anyone knows. Anyway, come to the food. What I tell is like drugs. Once you have it, even you are not hungry, you feel take some food, take some this, take some street food, take some masalas, tail, oil, ghee, and it's okay. So hope the flight will go on time. My wife will come, I guess on time or a little bit later, but they took my fucking, what was this luggage trolley? Detailing it almost full. This problem is suffering last flight also. 7 kilo luggage they allowed, and why is it full? It's okay, unless and until they rape it. Okay, I'll finish the food and see you at Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, and a happy Republic Day.
Kolkata মানে হচ্ছে সিটি অফ কালচার, সিটি অফ হেরিটেজ আর সিটি অফ সারপ্রাইজেস। আমি পূজা মুখার্জি, আপনাদের গাইড।
But I call myself an explorer. লোকে বলে প্যারিস ভালোবাসার শহর, আর আমি
বলি কলকাতা ফ্যাশনের শহর। শহর জুড়ে যেন
আমার গৃহ কখনো নেমে আসে
অচেনা প্যারাশুট তোমাকে ভালোবেসে
আমার চির কলকাতা, তুমিও হেঁটে দেখো কলকাতা।
তুমিও ভেবে
and finally touched down the city of my birth. The bus is waiting, so we take the bus. This bus will take us to the airport. Not too much paperwork here, just need to go to the belt and pick up my luggage from there.
And I reached Kolkata before 20 minutes. Let's see, maybe my wife is on the way still now. My air block. Even I put the plug, I put some little late actually. So I'm at the bus. Flight to, they'll take to the airport and then pick up the luggage from belt 6 and let's see.
In Kolkata airport, I feel very proud for this service. The one man is stand and take care of our luggage. When the luggage come, they catch like this with a pillow, and this is something new, unique and proud moment as a Bengali and this service. Hands off Kolkata, the city of joy.
লোকে বলে প্যারিস ভালোবাসার শহর আর আমি বলি কলকাতা প্যাশনের শহর
শহর জুড়ে যেন
প্রেমের মৌসুম আলোতে মাখামাখি
আমার গৃহ কখনো নেমে আসে অচেনা কারস
তোমাকে ভালোবেসে আমার চির কলকাতা তুমিও হেঁটে দেখো
কলকাতা তুমিও ভেবে দেখো
I reached on time, before time, 20 minutes. So my family is a little bit late on the road because I give her exact time 8:30. Maybe I tell it can be late, but we are on time. Both the flight are on time. And actually my ear is blocked. I cannot talk, so I have to refresh a little bit. Then I come. I have planned to go for tea with my wife, but hope it is not possible. I'll change the plan because I'm not feeling good. I need rest. My ear is fully blocked. Let's see what happens. So nothing scams here. Nothing. Everything is okay. Nobody come to me on domestic side. Mostly international side is too much problems, but it's okay. Everything is all right. I reach. So I'll end my journey here. Not end my vlog. The vlog show will come again, and my next tour will be for 1 month. Mumbai to Kolkata to Mumbai to Doha again. Air India. Let's see which flight they're using. Air India or Vista is a nice flight. I already informed them. Okay. Let's see then. See you. Bye bye. Tata.
Hello everyone, my name is Amit and you are in my vlog show.